This video was brought to you by Asia the Amazing Outdoors. Located in Woodridge, New York, you can enjoy the amazing outdoors in the Catskills. There's camping, ATV rentals, ATV riding lessons, guided ATV tours, and much more. Give them a follow on Instagram and shoot them a DM for inquiry. Or you can email them at asianewyork@gmail.com.
Yo, what is good, YouTubes? It's your boy Ray, and this is the Everyday City Carry. And today we have got a top-down video, and you guys are like, what is going on? Where's his face? You can see that anywhere you want, but I'm here to talk about these right here, okay? Here to talk about these, dude. So I was on the TikTok, as I normally am, and I met someone, and I don't mean like a side piece. Honest Builds hit me up on there. He's from Etsy, and he said, hey man, I make these scales, and I want to know if you want to check them out. And I really, really like them. Look at these, dude. This is on a Spyderco Delica. If you want to be swaggy, not low draggy, I mean, check that out, bro. I believe this is 3D printed resin. Looks really, really cool, man. And has some really decent prices on there if you want to customize some of your Spydercos and other knives as well. Now, he did send me these scales here, which is kind of a problem. Kind of a prob because I have the Para 3 lightweight, and this is for a Para 3. It does not fit. So I asked him if he wanted me to send it back, and he said, no, let's just do a giveaway on your channel. All you got to do to enter is follow him on the Instagram. I'm going to link his Instagram in the description. And if you have TikTok, follow him on TikTok as well. I'm going to put that in the description too. Also, his Etsy page. Definitely check that out. These are what you gonna get. Oh shit, I dropped it, Jesus. These are what you're gonna get. Look at that. There's kind of like a copper, like kind of orangey look to it, which is pretty sick. And then you have 3 different back spacers to choose from. I mean, come on, bruh. Come on. It's a dope giveaway. This is your boy Ray, and this is the Everyday City Carry saying peace.